Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Drawing on a global hotel sensibility, Matchpoint House feature an eclectic saturation and vibrancy to suit the energy of its young and growing family. Duet and AJH Plus combine to add to the existing character and charm of the heritage home, instilling an artisanal and handmade approach. Located in inner Sydney, Matchpoint House embodies the grandness of its origins, as a Tudor revival home circa 1916. Through a revised approach, its narrative is continued well into the future. In the bringing of the home and its generous surrounds into a contemporary relevance, Duet and AJH Plus architecture worked to infuse the personalities of its owners and create a unique, layered home of purpose that acts as an extension of those who live there. Layers of textural diversity, sculptural insertions, and a curated eye ensure the response is unique in its own way. As keen travelers and being well versed in the many hotel offerings across France and England, the owners wanted to bring a global feeling into the home, as a nod to the many places they have stayed and loved.